And straight away, what a way to start. The big wicket of the big man. Jignesh Bhai making a walk back to the pavilion. And what a catch this is at the boundary line. An easy off the sitter. A very first ball and a big wicket of the big man who was in a good touch since morning. Samit Upadhyay to bat. We can see the confidence rising up. Jasmine taking a good comfortable catch at the long on region. And Miracle Tech Strikers, they have lost first wicket on the first ball. Rakesh Gandhi bowling the first over. A dot ball. Again using his wrist. And Shripal stopping the ball with his one hand. So you can see the body confidence of the fielders. This is an NJ boundary. The first runs on the board for the Strikers. And look at that. Once again a catch by Jasmine on the boundary line. Hello. 2 wickets in this over for Rakesh Bhai. And we can see Nilesh Bhai walking in for the first time in the day to bat. That's a very good delivery and given the right treatment it needed. Over is completed. The score is 5. They have lost 2 wickets. Anuj Bhai to bowl the second over. And it will be Nisarg to face Anuj Bhai. A good swing. Not allowing the batsman to open his account here. Again, it's been played into the gap and a quick single. The first run for Nisarg in this match. Playing it towards the square leg region for a single. 7 for 2 in 1.3. Driven, the ball ricocheting at the non-strikers end. A single for Miracle Tech Strikers. Well, they need a partnership here. With every ball, the strike is being rotated. 9 runs in 1.5 overs. That's a good use of his feet and a one-handed sixer. It's an absolute cloud sixer by Nisarg. 15 runs on the scorecard after 2 overs. Played down the long on region, not for any runs. A cross-batted shot for a single. Good running between the wickets. So almost The third match for both the teams, and what a shot this is from Nisarg. Just above the mid of fielder, the ball travels. It's an absolute cloud sixer. Both the teams have won their 2 matches, and surely this is the match for the pride. Who will stay on the top table? 22 for 2. And just a single. Krishnakant completes his over. And the score is 23 runs. It will be power over. Almost from match number 1, we have seen Miracle team almost scoring 25 to 30 odd runs in 3 overs, and then afterwards they have shifted their gears. It's Rakesh Gandhi to bowl his second over. Now it's in the air. And a single run on the first ball. Every run will be doubled. And if a wicket falls, minus runs will be considered away. That's played straight to the fielder. A good piece of a turn by Rakesh Gandhi. Oh! Lucky enough, Nilesh Bhai survives. Dot balls. 3 balls remaining in the power over. As of now, projected score around 60 runs. But this time it's a white ball being signalled. Each and every run will count. And what a shot this is from Nilesh Bhai. But then falls short of a Jasmine at the long on region. So this time a single, a direct hit. Oh goodness. Questions being asked to the umpires. But then a quick running, helping the batsman to cross over, to rotate the strike.
Good running, guys, good running.
Last ball left of the power over. We'll update the scores after the over. That's a clean strike. Absolute cloud sixer. Just digging it out. Outside the off stump line and above the bowler's head. A maximum effort. "41" is the score. 41 after 4 overs. Jasmine to ball the 5th over. This time Nilesh Bhai connects it, not for any runs. 2 bowlers, 2 fielders charging in. Again. Oh, a bit of a clash there. Yes, a single on the second ball. Well, then it's a no ball signaled. A free hit to be continued. And we have seen Nisar converting it into the big hits. And this time a good piece of a bowling. A dot ball. A quick reflexes by Jasmine at the non-striker's end. Collected the ball, dislodging the stumps, not allowing the batsman to score runs easily. Left away, down the leg side, it's a white ball signaled. It's gonna be a tough fight here. A clean strike of the ball, but only a single. 46 is the score in 4.4. The ball went like a rocket. through the carpet. One more single added. Last ball. Last ball coming up of the over. Full toss. And what a shot that was. A sweet sound between the bat and the ball, for which every cricketer likes to hear. 48 after 5. Well, they are trying hard, but it's a good line and length delivery bowling. "48 for 2 after 5. Well then, the very first ball of the Pankaj Bhai over has been converted into absolute cloud sixer. Nisarg claiming those important shots. Once again, it's been played into the gap, and good piece of a fielding there by Rakesh Bhai. This time coming down the track. Only a single. Well, if I can see on the stats, Nisarg, he's on the 4th point. He has scored 129 runs in this innings so far in this tournament. A good shot, opening the face of the bat. It's an absolute cloud sixer. The score moves on to 62. Down the leg side, one more extra run. This would surely help them. Again, above the bowler's head. It's an absolute cloud sixer. He's picking the balls easily. The man standing. The man fighting for miracle. Tech strikers here. And Krishnakant having some words with the bowler. 3 maximum in the over so far. Last delivery. Well, he has to re-ball it. It's a no ball, and Nisarg says, how did I miss it? It will be a free hit here. Oh. A single run of the last ball. It's 71 for 2 after 6 overs, and it will be Nisarg on the strikers end once again. The score is 71 after 6. Oh, the chance. But then, lucky enough, Nilesh Bhai survives. It was a clean strike by Nisarg. The ball was stopped at the boundary line by Rakesh Bhai. And what a catch! But a good innings by Nisarg. He has made sure that his team is in a respected position of the scores. Tejas Bhai at the striker's end. Oh! Taking the outside edge and missed by Pankaj Bhai. He doesn't leave it easily. But this time the batsman survives. 71 for 3. Once again outside edge. Pankaj Bhai, please be careful. Dhyan raksho. But then it's a cricket fever going on in the middle. Jasmine bowling a very crucial over here. It's in the air. It's a maximum effort by Nilesh Bhai. Absolute cloud sixer. 78 runs. Full toss and an NJ boundary. Look at that confident strokes. The score is 82. 7 overs gone. It's 82 for 3. It's gonna be a very interesting match. Alpesh Bhai to Tejas Bhai. He just came out of the crease and played it. And this time digging it hard. Good over to start by Alpesh Bhai. This time it's been connected and a juggling catch has been completed. Ashwin Bhai. Yes, Ashwin Bhai is the bowler. Changes are made. And Pankaj Bhai, catch kone lido? Rakesh Bhai, if I'm not wrong. Okay, thank you so much. And now it's Sam. Samit Bagde. Everyone calls him Sam. He is also a clean hitter. Dancing down the track. He opens his account with a single. Ha. But then it's Nilesh Bhai. Whoa. Single to end the over, and with this the first innings comes to an end. 8 overs gone. It's 84 runs for the loss of 4 wickets, and the target is 85 runs. So then let's start the match. Digicom Sac Blazers, well, they have restricted the unit like Miracle Tech Strikers. They need to defend their score. For the first time in today's match, we have seen Miracle Tech Strikers. They have been restricted on the score of 83. Digicom Sac Blazers, as they received the wicket of Jignesh Bhai, most often they have their chances winning this game. Both the teams having won their 2 matches each. It's a game of a pride, we can say. Those who win, they will be on the first position. So 84 runs is the target, and we can see Rajesh Bhai on the strikers end, and on the non-strikers end, Anuj. Rajesh Bhai and Anuj Bhai. Alpesh Bhai. Okay. Kalpesh Bhai to bowl the first over. Kalpesh Gavli to bowl round the wicket to Rajesh Bhai. First ball that's been played upishly. The ball ricochets for a single. We have seen Rajesh Bhai and Alpesh Bhai going after the bowlers. So it's a important game for both the teams. It was a full toss delivery onto the leg stump. Very well fielded. Single for both the batsmen. Two balls, 2 runs. Well, that was moving away. The ball just touching the legs. And it's in the air. What a catch by Sam. So, देखिए यहाँ पर हिसाब किताब बराबर है. दोनों ही जो मेन बैट्समैन थे, फर्स्ट इनिंग्स में जिग्नेश भाई आउट हुए और यहाँ पर राजेश भाई. Sam, Samit Bagde taking a excellent catch in the middle. Both the crucial batsmen in the first innings and also the second innings, the actions are been repeated. Well, it was in the air for a while. Anuj has arrived at the crease. Anuj Bhai, he's also been a good touch. It's a no ball, but only a no ball run will be counted. But then it's a free hit, so Anuj Bhai has a license to go for the big hits. Dances down the track. Very well fielded by Nilesh Bhai. Oh! Lucky enough he survives. Had that been throw at the striker's end, certainly that could have been some possibilities of a run out. So well then, 4 runs for the loss of 1 wicket after first over. Important scenario for both the teams. Samit Upadhyay to bowl the second over. So every fielder has been given a chance to play each and every match. The team winning this match will be on the tabletop. Oh, what a way to start the over. The ball just turning and missing it. So well, he's standing in the crease, digging it out. Running between the wickets have been exceptional. A single run. Again a ball skidding. A leg turn by the leggy. 5 runs for the loss of 1 wicket. Is just having the ball. It's a full toss. It's a maximum. Yes, it's an absolute cloud sixer. It was needed. And it's an ANJ boundary. 15 runs. Oh, good comeback. Good comeback by Samit Upadhyay. 2 overs gone. It's 15 for 1. And it's a Sem. Again a leg turn. Spinner has been introduced. Very well played into the gap for a single. The rotation of the strike has been more important here. It's in the air. Then very well fielded by Nisarg. Stopping the ball. Saving a boundary. Alpesh Bhai on strike. Playing it towards the mid wicket for a single. 17 for 1 in 2.3 overs. Some field changes being introduced. That's a clean strike above the bowler's head. Absolute cloud sixer. 23 for 1. 2.4. That's a quicker one. 30 balls, 56 runs. This over will decide the scenario. Samit Upadhyay. Oh, a swing and a miss. And even missing the off stump. It's in the air. Into the throat of Nisarg. And the minus runs. Yes. Yes, it's a power over. And 1 wicket. Already 1 wicket has fallen. Krishnakant is the new batsman, and we have often seen Samit Upadhyay taking wickets in the power over. Oh, the ball getting an inside edge onto the legs. These are some important moments, and what a stroke! Krishnakant just clears it. It's an absolute cloud sixer. A good effort in the follow through. But then he has done his work. One ball left. It's a wide ball. Every run will count. Oh, a chance? No, it's a dot ball. With that, over comes to an end. 38 runs. 38 runs. With all the additions and the subtractions. 38 runs. One wicket making a big difference. Round table conference between the players, and it will be Nilesh Bhai to bowl the next over. "47 runs are needed to win this match." So the match is on. Nilesh Bhai played a crucial part in the first innings. Will it be Anuj to play those crucial runs here, and he starts it? It's an absolute cloud sixer. Introduction. It's a no ball. And a single. Free hit here for Krishnakant. Free hit will be continued. Some handy runs here. That's again in the air, in the gap. It's ANJ boundary. And DG Comsac Blazers 50 runs up on the scorecard. 51. Leg byes signaled. Whatever it may be. But these are the important runs here. 4.3 overs. 52. One more added. A kind of a pressure on the bowler. They need a wicket here. Once again an inside edge. This time played, a chance of a run out at the non-striker's end. Quick call between the batsmen. 54. Oh, he has to reball it. Not happy with himself. One more extra run. That's a clear strike, but what a save this is. They are appealing it. But then Girish Bhai stops the ball. Samit Upadhyay saving 3 runs and Girish Bhai into the backup. That was the good strategy. 29 in 18. 29 in 18. Sam to bowl the next over. On to the back foot. Absolute cloud sixer. The previous over we saw the first ball going for a maximum. Again in the air. Good comeback. Krishnakant and Anuj, they will be trying to complete this match. It's in the air. Very well fielded by Samit Upadhyay. A single. 3 balls, 7 runs in the over so far. They are eyeing a victory here. A big swing and a miss. A slower one. Good comeback by the Sam. But then Anuj this time connects it, and both the batsmen crossing over for yet another single. 64 is the score. Last ball coming up. Surely Krishnakant will be eyeing to either score a boundary or a maximum. Flat batted shot. A dot ball. And now 6 overs gone, it's 64 for the loss of 2 wickets. The equation 21 in 12. 21 in 12. Twenty-one needed in 12. Nisarg to bowl the most important over, because this will decide how many runs will be needed in the last over. And Anuj, he will be surely trying to score a maximum on the very first ball. Dancing down the track, and it falls the shot. But it's an NJ boundary. Not a maximum, but a boundary. And Anuj, he is keeping the strike on. He is reading the ball well. And once again, a good piece of a fielding. And a good throw at the striker's end. Equation now is 10 balls, 16 runs. 10 ball, 16 runs. 69 for 2. The pressure moments. Some field changes. Big wide gap on the offside. Oh. A single. It's a wide delivery. Some handy runs here. This time he connects it. But for a single. Rotation of the strike important. Equation stands 8 balls, 13 runs. 8 ball, 13 runs. Boundary riders are ready. He goes on the back foot. Krishnakant. It's an absolute cloud sixer. The crucial sixer. Oh, he just misses it. Just missing it. Over is completed. 6 balls, 7 runs. 6 balls, 7 runs. So what an important turnout is that in the first innings, DGCOM Sec Blazers, they took a wicket of Jignesh and restricted. And now they have 7 runs to win, and it will be Jignesh Bhai to bowl. 6 balls, 7 runs. And on strike is Anuj. It's a pride game. Those who win are on the top of the table. 6 balls, 7 runs. Each and every ball will be important. It's in the gap. But then stopped by Samed Upadhyay. Single on the very first ball. Rounded the wicket. It's in the air. Oh, it's a absolute cloud maximum. And Digicom have won this match. But surely both the teams are well happy that they are in the top 2 of this table. What we have witnessed is a pure cricket. Assert Cricket Premier League Season 5, 2024. Would like to thank our corporate sponsors. Cap sponsor by TP Link. Water bottle sponsor by Bookmark Infotech. Sixes by Absolute Cloud. Fours by NJ. Man of the match by Vidhi. Data Recovery Lab. Also, we would like to thank our media partners NCN, CRN, VAR India, Digital Tech Media, SME Channels, Select News and DT